For a small country like Singapore, with few natural resources, sustainable construction means resource-efficient construction and environmentally friendly construction. Through sustainable construction, we can do our part to optimize the use of natural resources and make greater use of renewable and recycled materials, such as those on waste. Besides reducing our dependency on natural building materials, this will be a significant step taken by our industry to move towards creating a sustainable built environment.
Scarcity of land, depleting natural resources, rising cost of raw materials, climate change and other emerging environmental issues. These are not just problems we face in our building and construction industry. They are not just challenges in our country, but they are part of global concerns on sustainable development. Today, the challenge for us is to make an informed decision to use building materials and practices that can protect the environment. Sustainable construction involves the adoption of building designs, construction methods and materials that are environmentally friendly. Waste concrete from construction and demolition, spent copper slag from ship blasting, steel slag from steel making process, dredged materials from excavation activities of reservoirs and waterways, and incineration ash from burning of domestic and industrial waste. These are some examples of sustainable construction resources. Construction and demolition waste is the material that results from the construction, alteration or demolition of buildings and other structures. It is thus vital that the waste is properly managed and sorted on site, so it can be channeled to appropriate recycling facilities for further processing into usable products.
Recycled concrete aggregates can be readily used in eco-concrete for partition walls, drains, curbs, footpaths and road construction. Such application has been proven to be efficient and economical.
Copper slag, a byproduct formed during the copper smelting processing, is used as an abrasive for the removal of rust and marine deposit. The spent, washed copper slag can be recycled and put to good use as sand replacement in concrete for non-structural building components like partition walls and roads. Washed copper slag may also be used to replace up to 10% by mass of sand in the production of structural-grade concrete. Steel slag is a byproduct formed during the steel-making process. It can be beneficially used as road surfacing aggregates when it has been properly processed. The formulation of road mixes using steel slag as aggregates has shown to give better slip resistance and mechanical stability. Dredged marine clay is generated mainly from the earth dredging activities during the maintenance of ports, basins or rivers. Dredged marine clay can be converted to ceramic aggregates through a series of physical, chemical and thermal processes. The resulting products are classified as lightweight aggregates and a form of engineered aggregates. Incineration ash is a residual product from the combustion of local municipal solid waste. Incineration of all unrecoverable wastes is necessary to reduce the volume and mass of the waste before disposing it at the offshore Semakau landfill. Extensive research and trial projects have been carried out to identify ways to effectively recycle the ash into an aggregate product for road applications. As we look to the future, our built environment is more important than ever. Sustainable construction and renewable materials are new chapters in the construction industry today.
The use of sustainable construction materials and practices is the best way forward. With new technologies and materials being discovered all the time, imagine how much you can do to sustain and protect the environment.
The future of construction very much depends on the decisions stakeholders make today.
I believe that the increasing use of recycled material in construction industry is the way forward. Let's make sustainable construction a distinctive feature of our construction industry and built environment in Singapore.